This is only just a new slate of buy calls on Shriram. We had a whole host of them last week, then the week before. Morgan Stanley also has an overweight. Their target is 925.
So I think with NBFCs, a strong pedigree plays a very strong role. And with Sriram Group, you already know that the pedigree is strong. You can't expect anything, negative in terms of corporate governance issues or something going totally haywire, as we have experienced in case of some of the finance companies. And there are expectations probably that the CV cycle is also going to be very strong. Now they also have a diversified book, and with this fresh fund flow coming into it, I think they are placed for a very strong growth trajectory. You could compare this to a cycle with Bajaj Finance experience, when they started growing aggressively. Though the starting price to book multiples might be a bit different. So maybe, a major part of the rally is over for, maybe the next 1.5 year. But long term, I think Shriram is certainly set to get strongly re-rated further from here. Maybe 1 year, you would be discounting most of it. But optimism should continue. I think you have very strong confidence in the management. And with this fund flow in and a strong CV cycle, you can expect growth to outshine. But now don't take fresh entries. If you have it, I think you can continue to hold on for the targets of around 1,000, 1,100 kind of targets.
Silver on MCX is open to the cut of 6% right now. And remember, we've been talking about that volatility in silver building up. Let's just pull that up for you. It's been trading at records through the year, but currently is seeing a bout of volatility settling in. Shell, let me bring you in on this. 6% cut on MCX on silver this morning.
Yes, Abha, it's a popular trade. Everybody, his driver, the driver's mother, and anybody is into silver. And that is not how you make money. So a short on silver is what institutionals are doing to sort of make money on this very popular trade on the long side by retailers, and that's how it is. I would still go for Hindustan Zinc, mainly because silver is 40-45% of their profit, and I'd rather go for MCX on the downtick. That's what I'm looking at, not long metal. After a phenomenal 150% ride.
Sharad, let me get your view in silver, Hindustan Zinc, MCX.
Silver occasionally does do these things over a 15-20 year period, but usually the rallies that we have seen are around 5-6 times from the base. So I think maybe most of it is done. Whether this is the top or maybe 10-15% higher, it's hard to comment. But I think the majority of that rally on silver is over. Regarding Hindustan Zinc, again, it should connote with that silver rally only, because major movement was there from the silver part only. So I don't think much would happen there in terms of, and valuations are not comfortable in Hindustan Zinc now. And if silver does correct or even stay here is a difficult thing. I think it could correct. And if it does correct, the steep movements, I think then obviously the expectation of profitability will also take a hit. So maybe HZL does not make the cut. MCX, if these expectations are there, means what we are looking at is somewhere around 45 times next 12 months. But if the numbers are re-rated upwards, I think with new products and the type of fancy that metals etc. are gaining and commodity trading is trading, I think that could be something that could benefit them. But even these valuations are in 45-46 times. I would even avoid an MCX.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.